Want to make money by sharing your unused internet? Then this video is for you. I have divided this video into 3 steps. Step 1. How to create account. Head over to the Phones app, sign up using your email or Apple ID, and you are in. And guess what? When you join today, you will get a $1 bonus to kickstart your earnings. Step 2. How to make money. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more online earning tips. Comment below with your country and I will create videos just for you. This app offers 2 main ways to earn. You can earn passive income by sharing your unused internet. Just install the app on your preferred device, whether it's your phone, laptop or tablet, and let it work in the background. Users typically earn $12 daily or up to $70 a month without any extra effort. You can also make money through surveys. Share your opinions on topics like gadgets, travel or shopping habits. Each survey takes about 10 to 20 minutes and pays between a few cents to $5. The more you participate, the more you can earn. Step 3. How to withdraw money. Now let's talk about getting paid, because we all love that part. Go to the earnings tab. Click the withdraw and choose your preferred payment method. PayPal, Bitcoin or even gift cards. Confirm your details and your money is on it.